was actually gifted this VEVOR 3500 watt electric demolition hammer for my honest review. And as someone who loves tackling DIY projects, we could not wait to try it out. So whether you're breaking up concrete, trenching, or tackling a big renovation, this tool promises to make your life so much easier. So right out of the box, you get everything you need to get started: the actual demolition hammer itself, two chisels, a flat chisel, and a point chisel, plus gloves, and even a handy carrying case to keep it all organized. Everything feels super sturdy, which is great for those heavy duty projects. Before getting started, we actually needed to add some oil to the hammer, which was super simple. We just unscrewed the oil port and we added the oil and then screwed it right back on. And it tells you in the instructions to make sure that you can see about 3 millimeters of oil level in the little window. That'll keep the motor running smoothly and ensures that the tool will last longer. So next up, we attach the chisel, and the high strength chuck makes it easy to swap out bits and keep them securely in place while you're working. So now for the fun part, this hammer packs a punch with its 3500 watt motor. It makes breaking up concrete like this paver quick and easy. The 360-degree rotatable handle makes it super comfortable to use even in tight spaces, and the shock absorption structure really reduces fatigue during longer jobs, we've noticed. It's powerful but surprisingly easy to handle even for me. We also love that the efficient cooling system keeps the motor from overheating even during those like intense jobs. And the locking button is a game changer. It lets you keep the hammer running without having to constantly hold the trigger. Whether you're tackling concrete, trenching, or even breaking up tile, this demolition hammer is an amazing tool for DIYers and even professionals. It's powerful, easy to use, and built to last. So if you're looking for a reliable jackhammer for your next project, VEVOR 3500 watt electric demolition hammer is definitely worth checking out.